everyone. Welcome back to Saini Study, your go-to channel for mastering Class 10 science. I'm Saini, and today we are going to dive into one of the most fascinating topics in physics, light. Yes, you heard it right. We'll understand how light behaves, its properties, and even some cool applications that affect our daily lives. So let's get started. What is light? Light is a form of energy that enables us to see the world around us. It's made up of tiny particles called photons, but it also behaves like a wave. Now, light travels in a straight line, but it can be reflected, refracted, and even dispersed. Cool, right? Let's break down the important properties of light. There are 5 main properties we need to focus on for Class 10, reflection of light. When light strikes a surface and bounces back, we call it reflection. Think about looking in a mirror. You see your reflection because of this property. Refraction of light. Refraction happens when light passes from one medium to another, like air to water, and bends. This bending happens because light travels at different speeds in different substances. You've probably seen a straw appear bent when you place it in a glass of water. That's refraction in action. Dispersion of light. When light passes through a prism, it gets split into different colors. This separation of light into its components is called dispersion. Remember, the rainbow that we see is nothing but the dispersion of sunlight, scattering of light. Light scatters when it interacts with tiny particles in the air, like dust or water droplets. This is why the sky appears blue during the day. Shorter wavelengths of light, like blue, scatter more than red light. Speed of light. The speed of light in a vacuum is about 3 times 10 to 8 meters per second. This is incredibly fast. But when light passes through different materials like water or glass, its speed decreases. Reflection follows 2 simple rules, called the laws of reflection. 1. The angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. 2. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal, an imaginary line perpendicular to the surface, all lie in the same plane. Refraction isn't just a concept, it's all around us. Take this pencil in water, for example. You can see that it appears bent at the surface of the water. This is due to the change in speed of light as it moves from air to water. Now, refraction is essential in many devices like lenses and optical instruments. For example, the lenses in your eyeglasses use refraction to bend light and focus it on your retina, improving your vision. Let's talk about dispersion. This happens when white light passes through a prism and gets separated into its 7 constituent colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These are known as the vibgyor colors. Dispersion is why rainbows are so beautiful. When sunlight interacts with water droplets in the sky, the light bends and disperses, creating that magnificent arc of colors. Now, when you're studying light, there are some important diagrams you must know for your exams. These include 1. Ray diagrams for reflection and refraction. 2. The path of light through a prism during dispersion. So make sure you practice these diagrams for better understanding and accuracy. To summarize what we've learned today, light is both a particle and a wave. It has 5 key properties: reflection, refraction, dispersion, scattering, and speed. We've also explored some real-life applications where light plays a crucial role, from eyeglasses to microscopes. I hope this video has helped you understand the fascinating world of light. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Saini Study for more Class 10 science lessons. Also, drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll answer them in the next video. Keep shining bright, just like light, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more science lessons on Saini Study.